It has been 4 years since we had the first outbreaks of duodenum cancer in Tech City. Since this spread began to spread quickly, we decided to make something about it. So we created a group of scientists and ergonomists with the purpose of finding a way to eradicate or control this new type of cancer. We discovered that the plant Brassica oleracea contains high levels of a glucoside called syngerin that turns out to be outstanding for the cancer treatment. So the first thing to do was to obtain the availability of planting Brassica oleracea in Tech City. Therefore, studies and investigations in terms of soil qualities, nutrients, climate and general conditions were performed.
Good morning everyone, my name is Javier Sordo and I'm a Master of Science. I will tell you about what is a brassica. Well, first of all, it is a cool weather plant that we're trying to grow on campus. It has low calories and provides us with vitamin K, vitamin B and vitamin C that are essential for our diet. The conditions for this plant to grow is the soil has to be approximately between 5.5 and 7 in pH, and also it has to be very rich in organic matter, such as containing high amounts of phosphate and nitrate.
In order to succeed in this project, certain experiments had to be done. Me, as head agriculturist, I have to ensure the proper collection of data and value, and then follow every step of this process in order to ensure that every experiment was well realized.
So let's see what our farmers have to say about this project. Nico here is one of our best farmers. What do you think about this project?
Well, we need to take some soil samples from different areas of Tech City, and these samples are going to be put on a Wells plate to observe the physical appearance. Physical appearance like color, moist appearance, and crumbly texture. And this information will be written in a logbook of Tech City.
Some of the tests that we will do in order to prove if we can grow brassicas on campus are, first of all, the temperature. We will look at the graphs and the weather forecast so we can determine if the temperature on the next few weeks is enough for the brassicas to grow. Then we will do a soil drainage test. Here we will drill a hole in the soil, then we will pour water on it and see if it drains in enough time. The time has to be approximately less than 3 hours. The last test we will do is to see a visual examination of the soil. Here we will take a sample and we will analyze it in terms of color, which has to be dark. We analyze its moisture and its texture. Its texture has to be crumbly and appear moist. This is a sample from the area A. We can see that it appears dark in color and then it has a crumbly texture.
With the help of our farmers, here at the lab we perform two different experiments which will determine if brassicas can be planted here. Those experiments are the pH and nitrogen and phosphate concentration. For it, we need to have a pH between 5.5 and 7 and a good concentration of nitrate and phosphate.
We were very pleased to announce that we can grow brassicas in Tech City. We analyzed 3 zones and we determined that Zone A is the best for the growth of brassicas because it has a pH average of 6.96 and a temperature of 15 Celsius.
After the results obtained, it's determined that we can grow the brassicas in Tech City. But there are certain zones better than others to collocate the farms. Zone A appears to be the best to grow the plant, since it is the richest in nutrient. After the pH analysis, Zone A is again optimal. In terms of temperature, we've obtained a range between 15 and 16.5 degrees. Next year we will start seeding. Still as investigation matters, and hopefully in the second semester of the year we will start with the production of Brassica oleracea as a medical object.